In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Gmail inbox with ClickUp. If you're looking to stay on top of your emails and streamline your workflow, integrating Gmail with ClickUp is a game changer. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform that allows you to manage tasks, projects, and now, even your emails all in one place. By connecting Gmail to ClickUp, you'll be able to create tasks directly from your inbox, organize emails alongside your other priorities, and ensure no important message falls through the cracks. Let me show you exactly how to set it up step by step. First, log into your ClickUp workspace using your credentials. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll need an account before proceeding. If you don't have one yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate the left-hand sidebar, also called the navigation panel. This is where you'll access the tools and options we need. Next, look for the More option in the navigation panel. It might appear as a small drop-down or expandable menu, so keep an eye out. Click on More to reveal the hidden menu options. From there, select Apps. This is where ClickUp houses its integrations, and it's where we'll set up your Gmail connection. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type Gmail into that search bar. After a moment, you should see an option labeled Gmail email appear in the results. Click on that option to proceed. Now, you'll see a button labeled Configure. Click on Configure to start the integration process. If you're not already signed in to your Gmail account, don't worry. You'll be prompted to log in during this step. Simply enter your Gmail credentials when prompted. After logging in, you'll need to select the Gmail account you want to connect to ClickUp. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one you plan to use for this integration. Once you've made your selection, ClickUp will request certain permissions to access your Gmail account. These permissions allow ClickUp to interact with your inbox, so take a moment to review them, then click Accept to proceed. If your Gmail account has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be asked to complete that step as well. This is an extra layer of security, so follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. Once everything is set up, simply wait for the confirmation message. This will let you know that your Gmail account is now successfully connected to ClickUp. And that's it. You're ready to start managing your Gmail inbox directly within ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.